The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Hi friends, this is Preetham Gaikwad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on the topic depression in youths. Depression is a mental health disorder characterized by persistently depressed mood or loss of interest in activities causing significant impairment in daily life. Young people can feel sad and worried about life events such as exam, fight with family or friends, changing schools or moving house. If the feeling of sadness go on for weeks or months and affect everyday life, the young person may have depression. Symptoms of depression in young people include feeling grumpy, having trouble sleeping, feeling worthless or guilty, eating more or less than usual, and gaining or losing weight. Life situation can contribute to depression in young people, but sometimes there seems to be no reason. Encourage young people to talk about how they feel with someone they know and trust, such as a parent, teacher, school counselor, family member, or friend. An important next step is for the young person to visit a doctor to learn about depression and how it is treated. Feeling sad or moody sometimes is a part of life. Young people can feel sad and worried about life events such as exams, fights with family or friends, changing schools or moving house. Sometimes the feeling of sadness go on for weeks or months and affect everyday life. If a young person feels miserable most of the time and finds it difficult to get motivated, they may have depression, a serious illness that can affect people of all ages. Suicide is a common cause of death in young people, so depression should be taken seriously. Symptoms of depression in young people. Like everyone, young people can have occasional mood swings, feel irritable sometimes, and be particularly sensitive to rejection and criticism. But if these moods have lasted for 2 weeks or more, the young person could have depression. Symptoms that may indicate depression includes feeling irritable or grumpy. Feeling irritable means becoming angry easily, and grumpy means bad-tempered. Feeling tired. Feeling worthless or guilty most of the time. Having thoughts of death and suicide. Having trouble sleeping, either falling asleep or staying asleep. Lacking motivation and feeling everything is too hard. Sometimes there are no obvious symptoms of depression, but parents may notice behavioral changes in young people that suggest depression and should not be ignored. These behavioral changes are social withdrawal. Social withdrawal is avoiding people and activities you would usually enjoy. For some people, this can progress to a point of social isolation, where you may even want to avoid contact with family and close friends and just be by yourself most of the time. Second, lower marks at school. Due to less marks, many children feels ashamed and therefore they also go in depression. Risk-taking behavior. Risk-taking is any consciously or non-consciously controlled behavior with a perceived uncertainty about its outcome. This kind of behavior includes unprotected sexual activity, secting and other risky uses of social media, illegal substance use, dangerous driving, fighting, use of alcohol and drugs, etc. Suicide or self-harm. Depression is one major risk factor for suicide or self-harm. If a young person is self-harming or talking about suicide, it is important that they talk with their close and trusted people in their lives, such as family or friends. Help them to be safe and remove dangerous items such as medication, guns, and other dangerous items, and encourage them to see a healthcare professional. Self-harm prevention. Understanding the warning signs and risk factors. Identifying those at high risk and connecting them to treatment. Raising awareness in the community. Increasing open communication about difficult issues. Helping people expand their social networks. Removing the stigma around the condition to reduce shame and guilt. Causes of depression in young people. Depression is a mental illness, and it is one of the most common health problems for young people. Many different factors and life circumstances can contribute to anxiety and depression in young people. This includes fight with family or friends, changing school or starting secondary school, being bullied, experiencing relationship breakup, recent death, abuse or neglect. Sometimes depression is caused by genetic factors or biological factors like chemical imbalances. In all cases, it is important that depression is diagnosed and treated early. Treatment for depression in young people. Encourage people to talk about how they feel with someone they know and trust, such as parent, teacher, school counselor, family member, or friend. An important next step is for the young person to visit their doctor to learn whether they have depression and what can be done to treat it. Support for people with depression can include psychological therapy that focuses on building skills to deal with life and to change negative thinking patterns. Your doctor may also add antidepressant medication to the treatment. It can take up to 6 weeks to feel better after treatment with medication. But most young people will not notice an improvement. Encourage them to speak with their doctor about any changes in their moods. Self-help tips for improving mental health includes exercising regularly, eating healthy food, practicing relaxation techniques, that is focusing the mind on positive images, meditation, deep breathing exercises. When you feel stress, your body responds by releasing hormones that increase your blood pressure and raise your heart rate. This is called stress response. Relaxation techniques can help your body relax and lower your blood pressure and heart rate. Doing something enjoyable. Doing something enjoyable means something which gives you pleasure, which gives you happiness. You feel good, great and fine. And spending time in prayer. Many people find it hard to ask for professional help, and sometimes young people do not want to go to healthcare professional. If this is the case, you could let them know that depression is common and that you are concerned. Try giving them some information about depression and also point out some of the comprehensive websites like Youth Beyond Blue, Reach Out, as well as the online telephone counseling services available for young people. What to do if you're facing depression? Dear friends, God has created each and every one of us in His own image. Most of the youngsters go in depression because they feel lonely. They feel there is no one to love me. There is no one to care for me. My life is useless. But God tells you that you are precious to me. I love you. I honor you. So first thing you have to do when you're facing depression is know that there is hope. You're not your struggle, and your identity is found in the love of God. He loves you no matter what kind of darkness you're in and no matter what choices you have made. Healing, peace and happiness are possible. Talk to someone who can help. You are not alone and you have nothing to be ashamed of. Talk to a parent, a mentor, a priest or a sister or a counselor. You have to bring the struggle to light in order to get free of it. Go to God for the strength to keep fighting. God gives us His strength when we turn to Him in prayer and especially during our times of weakness. So therefore, ask God for the strength to keep fighting. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.